Okay, so Tarmarin, now we are going to study in this chapter polynomial, zero of polynomial, remainder theorem, how to apply factor theorem. Okay, these are the some of the things we are going to check. So for first, before that, how will you check whether a polynomial is what is the degree of a polynomial? How to check? So for example, if they are giving 4x squared minus 3x plus 7. So here what is the degree? Here x raised to 2. Here x raised to 1. So 2 is greater. So that means the degree of the polynomial is 2. So this is how we will check the degree of the polynomial. Okay, and if the question they will ask like if the polynomial are in one variable or two variable. One variable means only one. Well, like here we have only one variable, x only is coming. Suppose if the x and y is coming means it will become polynomial in two variable. Okay, then then we have the next questions like a coefficients. If I am taking a term like x plus 2, what is the coefficient of x means? Before x I have no
1.
number, that means yes.
1.
Very good. And if my question is pi by 2 x squared plus x. So what is the coefficient of x squared? Coefficient of x squared is pi by 2.
5.
You need to
Ma'am,
write pi
how
by 2.
pi by 2?
Pi
I
by 2
heard 5
only
by
we
2,
need.
ma'am.
You told pi by 2. Okay, very good. So pi by 2. If the question is and a coefficient of root 2 x minus 1, then here what is the coefficient of x squared in this case? Coefficient of x squared in this question. Here there is no x squared, right? So coefficient of x squared will be 0. Okay, because 0 into x squared is
Yes,
0.
0.
So coefficient of x squared is 0. Okay, like
0.
that is what we need to know. Then we have quadratic polynomial, linear polynomial, cubic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial means with the degree 2. It is called, with the degree 2, yes, it is called a quadratic polynomial. If the degree 1, here x raised to 1 only we have. So that type of polynomial we will call it as linear polynomial. And if the polynomial having x raised to 3, okay, then we will call it as it is a cubic polynomial. Okay, so we have three different type of polynomial. With the help of the degree we were able to classify it. That is one important question. Now they will ask you to find the value of the polynomial, or you check whether this is a zero of the polynomial, like that questions will come. So here if the question is 5x squared 5x minus 4x squared plus 3, okay, at x equal to minus 1, find the value of this polynomial. Find the value of this polynomial is the question. Means 1 minute. We need to okay, because sound is, you can hear or not, I doubt it. So we need to put like wherever we have x, we need to put minus 1. So p of minus 1 is equal to 5 into minus 1 minus 4 into minus 1 the whole squared plus 3, like that it becomes 5 into minus 1 will become minus 5.
5
Then
minus 5
a minus 1 whole squared is plus 1. Plus 1
plus
into minus 4 will become minus
minus
4
4
plus 3. Now we have both of the numbers are negative, means we need to add. So minus 4
9
minus
minus
4 will
9
become minus 9. Minus 9 plus 3 will become minus 6. So the value of this polynomial is minus 6 for x equal to minus 1. So they can give any value and they will ask you to find whether it what is the value of the polynomial. The same question they will ask you in different way. How they will ask is check whether x equal to minus 1 is the zero of this polynomial. Check whether x equal to minus 1 is the 0 of this polynomial 5x minus 4x squared plus 3. So here it is not the 0. Why? Because I got p of minus 1 equal to minus 6. If I got p of minus 1 equal to 0, then yes, it is the 0 of the polynomial. Since I got p of minus 1 equal to minus 6, so I can tell this p of minus 1 equal to minus 6. So it is not the 0 of the polynomial. Which polynomial? 0 of the polynomial, not the 0 of the polynomial 5x minus 4x squared plus 3. Understood? When the question comes how whether to check whether it is a 0 of the polynomial, you need to do the same method only, but you need to check whether we are getting 0 or not. Clear this point?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. The
Clear,
same
ma'am.
question. Tell.
No, ma'am. Clear, ma'am. I understood, ma'am.
Okay, next the same question they will ask you whether what is the remainder of the polynomial when it divide by x plus 1. The polynomial 5x minus 4x plus x squared, 5x minus 4x plus 3. Okay, when you divide by x plus 1, what is the remainder you will get? Okay, when you divide by x plus 1, what is the remainder you will get? In this case also, what will you do? You need to find this p of minus 1. You need to find. You got minus 6 as the answer. So minus 6 is the remainder. So this is the concept of remainder theorem.
Remainder.
Okay.
Remainder. Okay,
Yes.
ma'am.
So here in the factor theorem also same concept we are going to use, but how we will use the same concept is they will ask you whether it is a factor or not. So since I got p of minus 1 equal to minus 6, I will tell x plus 1 is not a factor. Since I applied p of minus 1, I need to take the opposite sign, x plus 1. So x plus 1 is not a factor of 5x minus 4x squared plus 3. This is the concept of factor theorem. Clear? So all we are
Okay,
applying
ma'am.
the
Clear.
same thing only, right? P of x, substituting the value, but how the question asks and how you need to reply is the important thing. So first, what I have told, we have they will give you a polynomial, then they will ask find the value of the polynomial at x equal to minus 1. So you need to put the x equal to minus 1 in the wherever we have x, you need to put and you need to find. The same question they can ask like check whether x equal to minus 1 is the 0 of the polynomial. In that case also we need to put p of minus 1. Then I will get a value. That value is 0 means then yes, I need to tell yes, minus x equal to minus 1 is the 0 of the polynomial. I need to tell. If I got other than 0, I need to tell no, x equal to minus 1 is not a 0 of the polynomial, like that. Since if I got this p of minus 1 equal to 0, I can tell like x plus 1, okay, is a factor of the polynomial. Since I didn't get like a 0, I want to tell x plus 1 is not a factor of the polynomial. So the same thing, they will ask you to find the remainder. So what is the value outcome I am getting? That is called remainder of the polynomial. Understood?
Okay. So like even if I need to find the reminder reminder theorem, I still need to use that
The
p
same concept. We will do one
this
question for remainder theorem. Let's see. The question is x cube plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1. Okay, find the remainder. Okay, when x cube plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1 is divided by x minus 1 by 2 is the question. Okay, in that question, then first what you need to do, you need to take this x value of x, that is x minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. So you need to take x is equal to 1 by 2, like that you need to take. Clear? Then you need to substitute the, wherever we have x, you need to substitute 1 by 2. So here in the x cube, when I substitute, I will get 1 by 2 whole cube plus 3 into 1 by 2 whole squared plus 3 times 1 by 2 plus 1. So I will get 1 by 2 whole squared is 1 by 8 plus 3 into 1 by 2 whole squared is 1 by 4 plus 3 by 2 plus 1. So when I solve this, I will get the reciprocal, LCM as 8. So this will become 1 plus here 3. So I need to multiply numerator and denominator with the 2. So I will get 6 plus here 2 into 4, 8. So 3 into 4, 12 plus here 1 into 8, 8. So when I add 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 8, 15, 15 plus 12, 5 plus 2, 7, 27. So answer is 27 by 8. This is my remainder. This is how I need to check whether it is a remainder or not. Clear?
Okay, ma'am. Clear, ma'am.
Okay. So same question.
I took a screenshot also.
Okay, very good. So I have recorded. I will send the video now. The same question, if they ask